Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about the Cricut Wisteria EasyPress bundle. So you're going to head to Joann's and you're going to look for a box like this. So this is the first colored EasyPress that they've released, and it is Wisteria. So this gorgeous metallic shimmery purple that you're going to love. And you're going to look for a box that says special edition bundle, so you get all the extras. So what exactly do you get in the box and what can you make with it? We're going to take a look. First, let's talk about what you get in the bundle. You, of course, get the EasyPress in that gorgeous purple color, as well as the base that it fits in. Then it's time for the bundle portion. So with your bundle, you get these extras included at no additional charge. First is Sports Flex Iron-On. You get 2 sheets of Sports Flex. The Sports Flex is for surfaces where you need a little stretch. Think dry fit shirts, leggings, workout gear, and more. And then you get some iron-on designs that are exclusive to this Wisteria bundle. So you will not find these anywhere else. First, we have this cute Maker's Gonna Make. Next, we have a set of 4 small designs that are perfect for onesies. Change is coming. People are always trying to change me, and the tube elephants. Perfect if you have a baby shower to go to. And then these 2 designs that are on the same sheet, one is awesome and the other is a floral design. And then finally is this love design with the wreath. And this one is actually the one we're going to use right now to make a project. So I'm going to apply the design to this gorgeous rustic wood piece that I picked up at Joann's. There are instructions that come with your package for the iron-on designs as far as the heat settings for the EasyPress. Now, I would recommend looking online and Google Cricut EasyPress settings and head to the official Cricut website for the latest and greatest settings for your EasyPress. They're always doing experiments and perfecting those times and temperatures. Plus, as of the time of this video, the iron-on designs do not have a recommended setting for wood. So what I did is kind of look at the settings for the other materials and how they differ from regular iron-on, and then use that to determine a heat setting for my EasyPress that I believe will work for the wood, and I can heat it more if I need to once I pull it off. So the iron-on designs are extremely easy to use. You just pull it away from, it has basically a sheet of tissue paper that are separating the designs, and then it is basically just iron-on on a liner sheet. And the liner sheet is just what you use to press it with. So it is absolutely ready to go. Just center it on your surface and start pressing. The EasyPress is extremely easy to use. Just make sure your entire design is covered. Hit the green button. It'll do the countdown for you while you apply medium pressure. Once the beep sounds, you are done. The iron-on designs are actually a cold peel, so let this cool completely and then peel back to reveal your design that has been transferred to the wood. Now, because this was a rustic wood piece, some of the actual sap out of the wood started pulling through the wood when I heated it. It's a rustic piece, so I'm not worried about it, but you may have to, especially in those areas, use something like your scraper to scrape down the iron-on design before lifting it off, just because that glue or sap is trying to come through and it's sticking to the design as well. Now, I want to use this to hang photos, so I'm going to add a few clothespins with some hot glue, and that will complete my project. Finish this piece off by adding a few clothespins with some hot glue, and now I'm ready to go print my pictures, add them, and this project is done. So just that quick and easy with an iron-on design, the Cricut EasyPress in Wisteria. If you are looking for a great deal on a bundle, be sure to head to Joann's and pick up that Cricut Wisteria bundle, as well as this huge board piece. And with those 2 supplies alone and a few clothespins, you can make this cute rustic picture hanger. So thank y'all so much for joining me today. Stay tuned for even more from Cricut.
I ended up touching up the spots where the sap pulled through with a little bit of paint. It worked perfectly, and now my clothespin picture frame is ready for use.